Bangkok is famous for nightlife and street food, but what about the vegan side of the city? We're two vegan fitness coaches exploring Thai cooking classes, unique restaurants, and everything plant-based Bangkok has to offer. But it's not just vegan food and healthy eating. Stay tuned to watch us shamelessly mess around in the city.
What the fuck is up, YouTube?
All right, we flew to Bangkok, got our drive in here, got set up in our Airbnb, so we're excited to get started here, going out for lunch. I don't know the name. My brain's a little fuzzy. I'm pretty hungry right now. The place we're going for lunch is called Veganary. It's a cafe and bakery.
All right, we're here on the ferry in Bangkok. We're going to Icon Siam, the mall. Not that we're going to go shopping or anything, but it sounds cool. This river is kind of disgusting, but it smells gross and it's polluted, so hopefully we don't get splashed by the water. I'm ready for my next lower respiratory infection. I had to swallow the mucus. Nowhere to spit it out.
No, spit in the river?
I don't want to get it dirty. What the fuck is up, YouTube? We're here at fucking is it called?
Icon Siam.
We're at Icon Siam at the Bougie Mall across from the Stinky River. I don't know the names of these things. I just know Bougie Mall and Stinky River and cool hotel where the Hangover was. Those are my three benchmark locations so far here in Bangkok. We're gonna go in Bougie Mall now, Icon Siam, and shop for Gucci clothing, as you could tell by my fancy attire. All right, we've made it inside Bougie Mall. We're gonna go shopping. Here we have the Louis Vuitton fancy bags. We're gonna go shopping for stuff, things, material items, money, hard-earned money spent on stuff we don't need but choose to have. What are we gonna sell for? They're gonna ask us.
I have no idea. I don't buy things here.
It's like when you go out of the country and you leave the airport and they're like, where are you going? Where are you staying? Before you go in the store, they're like, what are you here to buy? What's your income?
What you are looking for today?
A new
sir?
bag.
New bag,
Like a
welcome.
fanny pack thing, yeah. So I'm looking for a new fanny pack. I bet if we post that on YouTube, we'll get like an angry email from Louis Vuitton about how we're making a mockery of their store.
You want to ride the reindeer?
I think I'll get kicked out if I ride the reindeer. It
I really
doesn't
wanna
seem like
see
a
you
ride
ride the
the
reindeer.
reindeer type of place. It doesn't seem like a touch the reindeer type of place either.
I dare you to pet it.
It's made of solid gold. I don't need material things. I like my Belmont Athletic Club shirt. I got paid to wear this shirt. Meanwhile, everyone in these malls are paying to wear their shirts. Gotta level up here. I keep getting dragged into stores by Alana and my mom. I just want to walk around the mall and look at cool things. They want to stop and look at all the girl stuff.
Just a man who wants his
Just
man
a
stuff.
man in a mall, man in a bougie mall. Do they have a shooting range in this mall?
Ready?
Yeah.
Make sure.
All right, I'm here with G. He is the owner of the restaurant that we're at. It's called Mercy Republic.
We provide vegan Thai fusion street food. And as you can see, everything around, we are vegan hip hop. I have been vegetarian first since I was 12. Then I decided I want to do vegetarian restaurant, not vegan yet. I asked my friend to come to help me. Ask me one question that changed everything. He asked me what's the reason that I became vegetarian. And I said, compassion. And he said, well, then good, then we should use this word as the main idea of the restaurant. If you want it like that, it cannot be vegetarian restaurant. This restaurant has to be vegan restaurant. And what about me? I cannot keep being vegetarian if I do vegan restaurant. How can I talk to customers? I decided to combine two things together to make it unique and to make it my own style, vegan hip hop. And another thing, to make me can do my passion at the same time that I get something to the world. And you may see on the wall right now, there are hip hop and R&B artists, all soul artists too, and everybody's a vegan. So we made that wall because we just want general people to know that even these cool people, they can have compassion and be vegan too. Here we try our best to make the food the most delicious as much as we can. I really want to change people's perception that a lot of people think like vegan food is not delicious, boring, full of veggies. So just hope that when they come to try our food, and they will start thinking like, oh, it tastes like this. Maybe I can eat it every day. We have the live music by DJ, like it will play like classic hip hop and R&B.
And are you always the DJ here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's
Because
great.
I know what I want people to hear. Yeah.
Well, thank you for telling us about your restaurant, G. We're excited to try the food.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
All right, so we had breakfast at the hotel. We had a peanut butter banana sandwich and a protein shake. And then we went to Thera Cafe, nice little healthy cafe here in Bangkok. We had a smoothie and some coffee before our workout at the Muscle Factory. We're really excited to try the Muscle Factory. This seems like one of the best bodybuilding gyms in Thailand based on the research that we did. So we're excited to check it out and show you guys what they got. What the fuck is up, YouTube? We're on our way to Nature's Charm, the vegan cafe. We're walking down this busy alleyway with a bunch of mopeds driving down it.
We both ordered breakfast of champions and the banh mi. They both looked like they had the most protein on the menu.
I'm so full. And she's still eating. We got the same thing. I don't know how she ate all of that. I'm in a coma. It was a 50-minute Uber or a 50-minute walk in Subway, so
Might as well
Yes.
save some money.
guess which one we picked. As you can tell by the dark alley,
Woo!
this is 10 times better than the New York Subway. It
Well,
doesn't
it's not a Subway, it's a Sky Train.
it doesn't smell like pee and poop, and there's not homeless people fighting
We
each
gotta get
other.
on.
What the fuck is up, YouTube? We're here in Bangkok, Thailand on the Sky Train, heading back to our hotel after our sick workout at Muscle Factory. We're on a Subway Sky Train type thing right now. It's kind of busy. We ate a lot of food and my stomach hurts. How the fuck are we gonna fit on here?
I don't know, we'll figure it out.
Oh my god. A little snug in here.
So I rescind my earlier statement. This one's a little bit crowded.
Hi. It's very crowded. All right, we got off the subway back at the Stinky River station. This time we're not taking the Stinky River boat. We're just gonna go walk to the hotel. Our hotel has a water filter, but I don't trust it because the air filters seem really dirty and they smell like pee and sewage. So I have a hard time believing that they changed the water filter. So what do you think? Nestle Real Purity or 7-Eleven brand? Both of them are definitely going to shrink my taint because they have microplastics in it and disrupt my endocrine system.
I'm so excited for
You should probably drink out of glass or metal containers. Don't be like me, decreasing my testosterone out of necessity. It's either that or dehydration. I'm not too sure which one's worse.
That guy like shoot it away. He's sniffing it.
He's pulling it.
All right, guys, so this is our last day in Thailand, also our last day in Bangkok today. We went to the Museum of Modern Art here. That's how we started off our morning. Had a delicious smoothie there. And then we had a really good lunch. It had all this mock meat in it. It was really delicious. It was a place called Vegetarian Cottage. It was our best meal we've had in Bangkok so far. And then we cooked our own food. We went to a Thai cooking class. We had a really sweet cooking teacher. She taught us how to cook tom yum soup, pad thai, green papaya salad, and mango sticky rice. And it was all very good.
Welcome to Thailand and welcome to Hermes Thai Cooking School. My name is Pat. I'll be your cooking instructor. If you want to enjoy and learn about Thai culture, Thai cuisine, everything you'll find it here. Enjoy. You'll be making your favorite tom yum or sour and spicy soup, and pad thai, the Thai stir-fry noodles, the som tam, the green papaya salad, and the most beautiful mango and sticky rice by yourself.
I have fancy water from 7-Eleven. Most waters are 15 baht. This one was 79 baht. French Alp water in a plastic bottle. You'd think if you put water that good, you'd put it in like a glass bottle or something.
Still shrinking my taint with fresh spring mineral water from the Alps. It's like you put all that effort into good water and then you just shrink my taint with the bottle. What the fuck?
Next station, Pettigrew. Train doors open on the right. Passengers can connect to the airport rail link.
Oh, it's getting crowded. We're in our sardine can. Thanks for watching, and make sure you leave a comment down below to let us know you watched the whole video. Tell us what your favorite part of the video was. It really helps our channel grow. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe.